UK is suggesting red and green lanes to remove costs and paperwork on goods moving within the UK, but preserving full checks on goods entering the EU via Northern Ireland. What is wrong with that idea?
Well, first of all, the unilateral decision of the British government to bring in legislation to undermine, or to give the power to undermine almost all aspects of the protocol is not acceptable. It represents unilateralism of the worst kind in terms of honouring and adhering to international agreements that governments adhere to and sign up to and ratify in their parliaments. We accept fully there are legitimate issues around the operation of the protocol, and we believe with serious sustained negotiations between the European Union and the United Kingdom government, those issues could be resolved. But what I would say is that the legislation that is published does much more than you are suggesting, because it effectively would be severely damaging to the Northern Ireland economy, particularly in the context of the dual regulatory standards approach now being put forward by the British government, which is deeply concerning to industry and to businesses in Northern Ireland, and in effect represents a form of economic vandalism on Northern Ireland, because if you look, any objective data is now showing that Northern Ireland economy is doing very well. Manufacturing is doing very well. The dairy industry, the meat industry, the food industry generally, and agriculture is doing very well. There are certain areas where we can improve the protocol, and we should continue to do that.